Hey everybody, Chris with MLC. Welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to start the Masterbilt that I've had hiding out here in the trailer. Now originally I was going to put a new deck on this car, new body, new roof, that stuff, but I think we are going to, since the season's winding down and we're wanting to get the owner out in it, I think we are just going to straighten a few panels on the deck. We're going to put a new set of doors on it, get the Ingram put back in it, get her running. I got a new carburetor coming for it, some fuel. So hopefully this weekend we can get her running. Straighten out this panel here. Got new rockers for it. Got new aluminum for a body. I've got one of my spoilers here, brand new for it. I will probably get some sail panels cut for it. And the nose we have for it, it's out here. So it's just a matter of putting her together, doing a little bit of body work, and throwing some numbers on it. Now Brad and I already today, we got it out of the trailer. There's some E85 in it from last fall. So we got the fuel drained out of it today. I have got to adjust the pulley on the KSC pump, but we got to get the motor stuffed in there. The headers for it are up here. So there's the headers. Now I think this motor's going in. We have 3 crate engines. So maybe this one, there's one more in the office, or then there's the one in the blue and white car. Just have a few things to check out on it, get the oil changed in it, then just go through everything else in the car and see where we fall. But I think tomorrow night we'll get the motor stuff down in the car, and then I would really like Sunday to get her fired up. Like I said, the carburetor should be here tomorrow. I'm hoping the fuel arrives tomorrow, but if not, because it's going to be an E85 car, and this car we're going to be running base fuel in. So I'm just waiting for it to arrive, because honestly, out of all the choices for 85 we have here in the area, they're not that great. It'll definitely wake this motor up. The new carburetor will be here hopefully tomorrow, like I said, and it's coming from Louisiana, and it's tuned specifically for the base. So yeah, we'll see how that goes, but we've got another one around here, and if it works out as good as that, it should definitely be a good combination. So other than that, there shouldn't be a whole lot we have to do. I just wanted to introduce you guys to the next project. Like I said, this will be the Masters. I think it's a, man, I don't remember. I think it's a 16 Gen-x Extra. This is the car we raced last fall in the Kokomo video. After Kokomo, Chad just decided to hang her up, and my buddy Mike, who you've seen for a split second in Darren's video pulling out of the shop here, Mike decided to come in and just buy out Chad's operation. Darren and Brad took it up to the car wash a while back for me on a Saturday. I had a lot going on in here, so they took it up to the car wash and washed it for me. So we got that all taken care of. So it's just a matter of cutting some body panels, putting in some rivets. We'll see where it goes from there, and hopefully by next weekend this thing will be ready to head to the racetrack. I said we were going to redo the deck. The deck was going to be red, the rest of the car was going to be satin black, but for right now, just to get him out, get him going, I'll just bang out the deck. We'll make some new doors for it, and then this winter I'll talk to Mikey, and I think we'll tear it down and nut and bolt the car, and we'll bring you guys along for that adventure. But for right now, it's just, let's get her out so we can get her to the track and bring you guys along. So I got a few things to do. We'll catch back up tomorrow with the motor. Just wanted to do a weekly update here, make sure I get a video in each week for you guys. Not a lot going on, but definitely get you introduced to the next project. It'll be nice to see Mikey get out on the track. It's been a while for him. He's really wanting, I mean, we got the white and blue car, but I think he was really wanting to take this one out first. So we're gonna concentrate on this, get this one going, and get Mikey on the track. If you don't mind watching another set of doors being hung on a car, we'll get the motor put in this thing in the next video, and we'll get her fired up. Plus, I have a video coming this weekend. The race I sponsored at Shady Hill Speedway in Madeiryville is finally going to happen, hopefully. It's only rained out 5 times. So the White Lightning race at Shady Hill Speedway this weekend. I think I'm going to take the cameras along, get some video of the races. I think I'm throwing the flags, starting the engines, doing something. Yeah, I don't know, it's going to be different. So we're finally going to get the race in, so that's cool. And then Darren's going to be there with the Black Diamond hiding over there. She's ready to rock. We've had her ready to go for the last 2 weekends. We just haven't been able to get the weather to cooperate. But hopefully this weekend will, so he'll be able to be out in the Black Diamond. And then next Sunday, I think we're going to load this. We'll try to load this up and maybe go over to Shady Hill for their practice days on Sunday and let Mikey get some laps in. But I'm definitely going to get some video footage of this weekend with the white lighting and get that posted next week. But, all right, on that note, like, subscribe, leave a comment. See you in the next video.